Welcome to D.I.Y. Automotive School with my friend Pete and Minnie, the body shop girl. It's everything you need to know about cars and more.
Alright, the next thing we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and bolt our plate on there, the inner and outer plate. Now, if you look at that plate, you can see these are our 4 mounting holes, our mounting bracket holes for our pump. So this bolt right here would actually be our bolt hole to actually hold the bracket on the frame until we actually get the pump started. I'm going to go ahead and take my inner plate, just like you see here, and I'm going to line it up with the holes. Then I'm going to take my outer bracket and I'm going to line it up with the hole that I need, which is right here. We'll just let that swing. This one's going to go right here. On the inside, just like that. And then I'm going to go ahead and bolt this to it lightly. I'm not going to tighten it up. I'm just going to hand bolt it to the frame rail, so then we know that it's there. Just like so. That motherfucker better fucking line up, bitch. Fuck, man. And you know what? We got a situation here. This fucking bracket doesn't even line up with the holes that it's supposed to be lining up with for some odd fucking reason. This one lines up, that one doesn't. You fucking believe that shit, man? Typical fucking bullshit. I can't fucking believe that. Now that fucking pisses me off. No, motherfucker. Fucking lining up. Motherfucker, man. I cannot fucking believe this shit. I can't fucking believe it. The fucking bracket, the bracket that you pay $1,000 for doesn't fucking line up. Motherfucker, man. I just don't fucking believe it. Fucking bitch. Fuck! So we're going to take that bolt and line that fucking hole up. I just don't understand why this one doesn't line up. This is... hold on a minute. Right, we want to lightly bolt that on there. Okay, where it'll be able to move around. And if you notice, all the holes will line up just like they're supposed to. Then what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and line our top hole up through our bracket from inside out. We'll go ahead and start our bottom one as well. Let's line up. Fucker. Fuck, man. Fucking bitch. Bitch. Okay, the situation we have is this plate and that plate don't line up right. Alright? We drilled the holes the proper way. We did everything we could. This is going to happen to you at home as well. Alright, do you think my friend Pete likes to show you the mistakes Yes, I do. Because that's what it's all about. Learning from your mistakes. Is this a mistake? No. We followed the instructions. We did everything we were supposed to. But it ain't lining up right. Let's fix the problem so we can get down the fucking road with this shit. I'm going to go ahead and reclamp my brackets on here together. Fuck it, man. Fucking bitch. Alright, if you look at the bracket now, you can see that it's mounted on there ready for the power steering pump to go on. It took a little persuasion with our burring tool right there to get all the holes to line up properly. You know, this is a hand job. We're not doing it with, you know, machines and fabricators and multi-billion-dollar corporation fucking machine shops here. We're doing this just like you would be doing it at home. Okay? Do you see what I'm trying to tell you? Do you understand now? Alright? So we finally got the holes lined up. We got our one hole down here, and that's going to thread from the front side of the pump in. Let's go ahead and put our pump on there. Let's see if we can do this by ourselves. Alright, before we install our pump, I want to go ahead and chase the threads on these three right here due to the fact that they probably have paint in them and build up from cleaning machines, this, that, and the other. So we're just going to take our bolt and we're just going to run it through there nice and easy just to make sure that the threads are clean, so when we're holding it up on the frame, we ain't going to have no problems. And then of course this bolt right here is the one that actually goes in here. If we can get it in there. Looks like it might not fit. Looks like the bolt is probably too fucking long. Wow, great. Fucking bitch, motherfucker. I don't fucking believe this. And now that we got all our bolts lined up, let's go ahead and see if we can put our power steering gearbox where it's supposed to go. Don't move, don't move. Oh, you motherfucker. Oh, you fucking bitch. Give me my fucking air ratchet. That son of a bitch is gonna fall on us and we're gonna be fucked. joke, man. All right, there you go. We finally got the gearbox, the power steering gearbox on the vehicle. But we can't stop. I mean, we got to stop right there. We can't go any farther because I have to close my shop down to go get a bolt. One bolt that's shorter than the one I got. Do you see what I'm trying to tell you? We'll be back to finish this out and hooking up our power steering on our 1965 Chevy truck. We'll see you later. Fucked up.
Thanks for watching D.I.Y. Automotive School. Classes don't stop till you know everything.